How to fix Instagram Shadowban. Let's get started. Confirm you're actually shadowbanned. Post something and ask a few friends to search your hashtag. If your post does not appear under the hashtags or on Explore, it's classic shadowban. Identify why you got banned. Using broken or banned hashtags, spammy follow unfollow or bot engagement, reposting viral content without credit, violating community guidelines. If that's the case, you'll need to stop posting for a few days. Take a mini break, 48 to 72 hours. Don't post, don't mass like, don't spam comments. This pause tells the algorithm you are done misbehaving. Likewise, next thing you can do is switch back to personal account if you're using business account. So launch Instagram, then navigate to your profile page. Once you're in the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Scroll down. Navigate to the option Creator Tools and Controls. Click on the option Switch Account Type. Select Switch Personal Account. Once you do that, you can head back. This might resolve the issue. Next, log out and log in back. So navigate to Settings and Activity page. Scroll down, click on Log Out. Click on Log Out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Update Instagram. So launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, report to Instagram support team. So navigate to Settings and Activity page, scroll down, click on the option Help, click on Report a Problem, click on Report Problem Without Shaking, click on Don't Include, and here briefly explain about the issue and send it. With that, the Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram Shadowban. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.